Good morning, young people. Happy to meet you again. This week, I am taking a topic which is a very important one again. Fatigue means lack of interest or lack of motivation in doing our career or profession. That means in our growth. This normally happens with some people that they don't get the required interest or attention while doing the assignments, and that may create a lot of stagnant way of working in their life or at least in career and profession. This matter should be attended with immediate care. That is why I am telling you. There may be two problems. Fatigue is a stage where we are not getting the required interest in taking up the work or completing the job. That should not happen with us. There can be two issues. One is it may be because of your physical problems, or it may be because of mental issues. Physical problem means we don't take proper food, we are not living in with proper air, light, and we are not doing any extracurricular activity that is stopping our physical growth or it is making us tired. For example, if you go for a blood test or something, hemoglobin may be less. It should be normally 13, 12. If it comes to 10 or 9 or something, you may get tired. So that should be immediately attended. Another thing, mental. Means physically I am okay, but my mind is not properly attending. It is not getting attracted. It is not showing any interest, attention towards the job. This is a very pathetic issue. These reasons we should know so that we can attend them properly. Normally, if the people around us are not good, maybe family members also, maybe a boss also, maybe a colleague also, a junior also, senior also, if we do not have proper people around us, they may be disturbing our mind, demotivating us, and we don't get the required interest in the job. As I told you earlier, we should love the job. We should have that care to, yes, this is my company, this is my profession, this is my office. Like that, once you have it, normally you should have the interest to do it. But sometimes it happens, you don't like the work, you are not getting proper remuneration, you are not properly paid, or there are some officers, some colleagues, they are not very supportive, they are dangerous, they are creating nuisance, they are totally negative, they are demotivating. Like that it happens. This has to be immediately attended by you. You should talk to a proper colleague or a guide, maybe your senior, maybe your management people. Immediately you should discuss with them. You should openly talk. This is what happening with me. I want your assistance. I want your help. So that this fatigue does not become a habit. If you allow it to happen for 6 months or 7 months, then you become almost a gone case inside the organization. Nobody is going to disturb you or nobody is going to assign any work to you. That will happen normally. For that reason, this fatigue or actionless mood should be crossed immediately. A decision should be taken how to solve this fatigue status. from your body and from your mind. This is very much important. Normally we don't do it. We are going on pulling this thing. If you are in a professional organization, they may be going on paying you money, salary, everything. After 1 year, you see that they are not assigning any work to you. You are being cornered. You are being neglected because of this fatigue attitude that normally happens. You was maybe that you may have to change a job, or job rotation may help you, or people around you should be changed. You have to scissor some people, you have to cut some people. For that reason, you should talk to your a good guide, senior, a senior friend who can very well help you, so that your career or profession is not affected by this element called fatigue. The fatigue is a psychology word that you will come to know when you go into degree courses or management courses. But even then, I want to tell you this one today, this topic, fatigue, and be careful. Don't allow inactiveness, less motivation in any of your activities, if you are in profession, if you are in career, because without these two, interest, motivation, attention, you are not going to achieve anything in life. Thank you. Have a good day. We will see again with another topic, maybe after 4 or 5 days again. Thank you.